It has a bike rack in the front. It's got a straight body. It's dirty, it's full of mildew. With a good pressure cleaning, that should all remove. The paint appears to be faded. You can see the body is straight. The windows are good, they are open and closed. This is a front mount engine. It's a 5.9 Cummins automatic. I was told it was good by the service fleet manager, that the motor is good. It's got approximately 277,000 miles. It's been used in the city and maintained by the fleet department here in Margate. It has a small dent on the bumper. Other than that, it looks good. Seems to be all there. I'll show you the handicap wheelchair lift right there. I'll show you inside in just a bit. It's got a Kowa aluminum wheels. The tires look good. Doesn't mean they are good, but they look good. They look really good. The body is straight. I'll show you inside. The interior is really nice. I didn't think it was going to be that nice. Here's the entry. Driver's seat. This must have been reupholstered because it looks too good for being a 1999. It's got a nice dash, nice steering wheel, nice switch panel, automatic. It has dual air. It's got the illuminator text board, and it's got the DT locator. The headliner's nice. All the seats are nice. Look at that. Single seater here. All these seats are in nice condition. No rips or tears. I'll show it to you. Very nice. We have 2 extra tires and rims back in the back. The tires look like they're new, but they're aluminum wheels and they're extras. Since this bus is not going to be circulating any longer and there's no more like these in the city, they decided to put this in here and let them go with the bus. All right, here's the wheelchair lift. Seems to be good. I mean, I don't know if it works or not, but it seems to be complete. And the best thing about this bus is the engine. It's got a 5.9 liter Cummins. Very desirable engine. Very desirable. Look at that. Nice and dry. 5.9 liter. The engine alone is worth it. Alrighty. So that's pretty much it. Good luck, and hope you get lucky. Thank you.